Life's lessons are tough. Usually they don't feel very good, but they are also necessary. And the thing is, we have a choice whether or not we learn them. A lot of us walk around in denial. Maybe we know that we're unhappy, but we haven't yet chosen to accept responsibility for our part in the reason why. And this means we still have a very important lesson to learn. And how do I know this? From personal experience. And what happens when we don't pay attention to our problems to do the deeper work of solving them is they keep following us around, getting bigger and bigger and more uncomfortable. And this is necessary in order to get our attention so that we finally choose to learn the lesson. So what you want to do is start getting some healthy habits in place. Simple ones: breathing, staying present, and actually sitting with the discomfort. Focus on it, and then you want to get curious about why this particular challenge keeps showing up, and even more curious about what you might be doing to create it. Take responsibility. Responsibility is where the freedom is, and it is where your power is. Remember to focus only on what you can control, and you can control your focus and your choices. And when you learn to solve your own problems, you become stronger, more confident, and naturally unstoppable. Is it go time?